Hi, this is Dubiss Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today, 28th of October 2024. If this is your first time of joining our analysis, please subscribe to this channel. Ensure you like this video. Please comment. Let's have your comment in the comment section. You can also share this video. You can invite your friends to join this our channel. Okay, so also follow us on all social media handles: Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, so this is our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy on Telegram. Go there and watch and see amazing results and what we are doing. All right, you can see our signal services, even what we did last week. You can see it. We have paid group. All right, we have trades we've already dropped on our paid group. All right, you can see them. All right, what we have dropped on our paid group for today. Okay, so you can also follow us on YouTube. This is our YouTube channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, okay, so sorry, this is the YouTube page, Dubiss Forex Academy on YouTube. You can see it. It's our Dubiss Forex Academy on YouTube. Okay, so let's go straight to our analysis. All right, so let's start with XAUUSD, which is gold. So today you can see what has been happening, all right, throughout last week till this week. Gold has been consolidating, all right, after hitting all-time high of 27. In fact, gold break 27,276 something, right? Yeah, let's see it. Let's see where it touched. This is the highest, almost 2760. So this is 2757. So this is daily chart. This was a high that gold made last week, 2757. So we believe that gold will still, all right, fall like today. I have not sent any signal on gold. Last week we made some profits, also some hit stop loss because we were selling, and I think we lost 2 trades, and then we recovered it also. By the time we send other ones that eventually hit up to TP5, we made good profit. So the tension is still there. What is happening between Israel, Lebanon, Hamas, all those places, all the disturbance and the problem in the Middle East is still there. But as we speak now, even the US election also is still there. But as we speak, is people are the buy is already overbought. So the buy is already happened, and then China is not buying much again. So with that, fundamentally, I'm seeing gold retracing. Technically, of course, gold should retrace, but fundamentally also this week we could see gold fire down. So what we need to do is to hold on, go to lower time frame, and then look at price action, what the market is saying. So you don't trade what you believe or what you think. We trade what we see. So if we see that there's a rejection, of course, last time I made video, there was a price action that we saw, and that price action, which was eventually broken again. So we saw inverted hammer, which was broken, but this one also is you can see. Let me open it for you to see more. So this one engulfing candle. There's an engulfing candle also on daily. So once we see price go down and close below this engulfing candle, so probably that's when we will now see massive movement downwards. So we still look for opportunity to do what? To sell gold rather. Okay, so let's go to Euro USD. All right, Euro USD, you can see that Euro USD, the trend line. Last week I told you that price was around here, and I said that it could still go down to hit this trend line, and it's almost at the trend line. So we should be looking for a bounce, which is already bouncing. But I'm not going to buy Euro USD. But if you want to trade, you can actually trade from there. Because of a lot that is going on with the US election, I'm not trading Euro USD. But if you want to trade, you could look for opportunity to buy. Price is already going up, but it could still go up small and then come down and break this thing and come down and break the trend line and then fire down. Then for USD CHF has been also ranging. Remember last week we said we are going to look for opportunity to sell, or then what I'm seeing is price. We said price could go up to touch here and go down. So price is still ranging, moving slowly towards this liquidity zone. These are supply zone where we can sell, where we can see massive movement down. So price could still push down up to touch here before it will fall, and that is for USD CHF. When you go by the side, you see the prices. Let me drop. You see the prices we are talking about. This is the price around 0.8750, around that region. That is where we are looking at price could push. Of course, any moment, even from here, it could fall. But this is where we see that it could actually push more, because you can see here that is a liquidity zone. Look at when price was respecting here as a support. Look at it. Look at where it broke it, come down, retest it, come down. Now it's coming back here. So of course, when it come down, it come back here again. We believe that price will still respect it and fall. Then, like I said, you wait and see price action, and then you now know if that zone is actually respected. Then for GBP/USD, last week I told you that it have hit this trend line. That price could eventually bounce off from there, go up, but there's every possibility that even if it bounce up, that price could still break this trend line, because there's enough pressure on GBP/USD. So price have respected that and is still moving slowly up. I'm not going to buy this as I wait to see any movement downwards, as in any price action indicating that there is going to be another rally down. That is what I can only sell. I can look for that opportunity to sell, but at the moment price should respect here and go up, and of course it's already respecting and going up. Then for USD CAD, last week we said we are going to sell from the zone here because of this, and you can see when price broke this zone and went up, it was rejected and it fall down. So the same thing is happening here. It has broken, and look at where it is. So it's already respecting. Today I've already sent this trade for people to sell around 1.343900. So right now price is around 1.3886, so we are already on 14 pips or 13 pips profit. So if you're seeing this signal and price around within this zone, so you can see sell. We are selling USD CAD. All right, it's still a sell trade for us, so we are selling USD CAD. Okay, so that is it. You can see it. USD CAD, we are still selling USD CAD. So let's go to Euro GBP. So for Euro GBP, price still ranging within this support zone, and we are buying from here. So Euro GBP is still a buy. So we have sent the trade also to our paid group. So today I just feel like giving people expo the trades we've sent to our paid group, giving you, as you watch this video, you follow us and join and trade free of charge. A lot of people paid for signal that we gave them the signal for this, but you are just watching the video for free. You see the trade we are in, and then you join. So we are buying Euro GBP, and you can join. You can see what we analyze. All right, we believe that price, this is a support zone, which is a demand zone, a liquidity zone, of course, which is around 0.8300. So that is where we are buying, 0.8300. And if you want to join us, use 100 pip stop loss. Our stop loss is 0.8230. All right, so for GBP JPY, last week we sold GBP JPY, and then I think it was once that hit stop loss, but the rest worked well and we made good profits. Yes, he hit stop loss once and we recovered it and make profit. So this week already, today we sent a trade, sell trade on GBP JPY, and we started selling around 1.9910. Yeah, and it has hit our TP1, which is 1.9860. Right now price is around 1.9876. So if you see the price within this zone, if you watch this video and see the price within this zone, then sell. Look at the zone where we are. So we are selling GBP CAD. So this harmonic pattern is still very much active. We still believe that price will respect it and then fall. So we are selling GBP JPY. Of course, there is news today. I think whether it's today or this week on JPY. We'll look at fundamentals. So there's most likely BOJ. There's going to be an intervention. So JPY is going to be strengthened. So if you're trading JPY pair, just be careful. But we believe that JPY pair is going to be strengthened this week. So even CHF JPY, we sold CHF JPY last week and it hit our stop loss. So I think twice, and we didn't bother to sell again. We are waiting for it to hit because this particular zone, liquidity zone, was you can see it here. It was disrespected, as in price broke this resistance, and we want the price to touch this another resistance. There's another resistance here, which is a supply zone. So there's another distribution zone, which is here around 177 or 178, right? So let me drop a line there for you to see horizontal line. So this is another zone where, so around 177, between 1778 or 1775, 178. That is where we are looking at price could touch there. In fact, anything from 177 price could just hit there and then start falling, and that is for CHF JPY. So since we are expecting JPY to be strong this week, so it's an opportunity to look for opportunity to sell CHF JPY. You can see we have already identified all the liquidity zones for you to now do or take action. So GBP CAD is still within that zone, sell zone. So there is no much that has moved. So we didn't trade it. I didn't send the trade last week because we are still waiting to see a good price action for us to sell GBP CAD. So it's still the same, nothing changed. Then NZUSD. Remember I told you we started selling from there, made good profits. But at this point last week I said price could bounce up and then still go down. Look at where this price is pursuing, which is around 1.5. Let me put the horizontal line so that we'll be seeing all this. This is where we are believing 0.5870, around there, around that zone. So the price is still firing down without even retracing. So that's how sometimes market could just be moving one direction without retracing. And that's why you need to follow the trend. Don't need to go against the trend, because those that want to do this small buy here now, you see they'll be disappointed because price continue to move down. So at this point, I will not buy or sell because we need to wait for price to touch the right zone. There should be a good setup for those of you that want to buy. Wait for price to hit here before you look for opportunity to buy. At this moment, you can't sell. If you miss the sell from this zone, then you cannot sell again at this zone. All right, because this is over how many pips realized already sold. So it's not a good point, a good place to sell. That is for NZUSD. So you hold on. Then for Euro CAD, we had last week I told you that price could go up to retest this liquidity zone and then price fall down. You can see what is happening. So it is around 1.5164 or 1.51. Let me drop the line for you to see. This is where we are saying it could still come back to retest at 1.5130. So around this point, but price is still gradually moving slowly. So it could come even here, even from this point. It could even bounce from this point, which is around 1.5090, 1.5100. So price could actually fall from that zone. So let's wait and see price move up small to see whether it will bounce from here and fall. Then finally, Euro AUD. Okay, we can still look at USD JPY. Euro AUD is still moving. Remember, we told you that since price respected here, we told you we are buying Euro AUD, and price was coming down. I told you that it will still go up. Right now, look at where it is. Congratulations to those that hold that trade. So there is still more room upwards for Euro AUD. Finally, USD JPY. USD JPY, you can see where price is currently. Like I said, JPY most likely will be strong, will be strengthened this week. So from these points, let me drop a horizontal line as well, and I'm going to leave this line so that I will see how it will perform. 153 or 154, between 153.50 to 154. That is where we are looking at. That from there price we fly go down. Right now price around 153.0809. So price could still go down more. So USD JPY, look for opportunity to do what? Sell USD JPY. All right, so these are just few pairs. We remember we don't go into full details about this pairs. It's just to give you the direction so that you watch our videos, look at the prices, and then see the direction we feel that the market is going. And then of course you need to now wait for price action to know if that direction is being respected. All right, look at price action. For the one we say we are selling, we look at where the price is. There at the key level, is there a resistance, is there at a distribution zone, then is there inverted hammer, evening star, morning star, all these price action. These are the things, inverted hammer, these are the things you look out for. Rejection candle to know that the movement have started. Okay, so finally let's go to forexfactory.com. Let's go to all right, like I said, today is 28th, so this is forexfactory.com. This is where you see fundamental news. So today, Monday, the 28th of October, there's no much. Okay, so just Governor Macklem speaks, and that's for Canadian. All right, so let's see what's more that we're going to be looking at for today, more especially this week, not just today. What you need to do is to now focus on the red folders. Okay, all right, so Tuesday being tomorrow, we have CB consumer confidence. You look at the previous forecasted and then you wait for actual AUD, CPI for AUD. All right, in fact, this Tuesday, this job openings, CB consumer confidence for US dollar is going to move the market, so pay attention. Even gold market will be moved for this. Okay, and then let's look at this one. This is AUD, like I said, CPI. There is CPI for AUD, and then there's ADP, non-farm employment change, and then that is on Wednesday. Okay, there is also manufacturing PNI for CNY. All right, so BOJ policy rates. This is on Thursday. So it's on Thursday. We are going to see big movements on JPY pairs. So, but I'm expecting intervention. So they need to intervene again. BOJ press conference, BOJ outlook report, monetary policy statement. So on Thursday is going to be full for JPY pairs. And then on Thursday, we have GDP, MMC, cost, PCE, employment cost index, unemployment claims, and that's on Thursday for US dollar and Canadian. Then finally Friday, the big day, we have CPI for CHF, but that's not the most important of them all. Look at it. There's going to be NFP. We are going to trade live on Friday, non-farm payroll. Okay, non-farm employment change, average hourly earnings. So on Friday we have a great news on Friday for US dollar, and even ISIM, as in manufacturing PMI for US dollar. So on Friday is loaded. This week we have a couple of red folders, a couple of fundamentals, so we are going to be trading live. So I want to appreciate all that stayed to watch this video up to this time around. Like I said, subscribe to this channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Ensure you like this video. Let's have your comments. Follow all these analysis, and I can tell you, you'll be the one that will thank me later. All right, last week the market didn't move greatly, but we still made profit last week. So this week is going to be more massive. It's going to be massive this week. Follow us on all social media handle, Dubiss Forex Academy. All right, so this is our free channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Follow us on all our social media handles. Thank you very much. If you have not opened account with our broker FX Pro, go to look at it. Just come to our Telegram channel, Dubiss Forex Academy. Click on this link here. Look at the link here. You click and open account with our broker. We have a lot we are giving out this October. We are going to have live trading session. This is the last we want to. In fact, we are going to do, even in November, we are going to have live trading session where we show how to make money. We make money the same day we withdraw. So we are targeting any day we are doing live trading session is between 5 to 10% profit for those that will be risking little, except those that want to risk big. If you want to risk big, of course you could make more, but we don't advise people to risk high. With just risking between 1 to 2% of your account, we could make up to 5 to 10% on that particular day. We are going to do live trading session. So on Friday we'll have live trading session, which is the 1st of November 2024. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers, guys. Bye, everyone.